Hello, I'm Eduardo Delgado, Chief Executive Officer of Rooms. While for a traditional comparator, the data provided by the user is your starting point, Rooms provides a service that enables telephone consumers to access business recommendations based on their actual usage. We have developed software capable of connecting to the billing systems of all operators in the market. We are considered as the only intelligent comparator on the market. We aspire to sell phone plans and broadbands like order pizzas with one click. The emergence of the virtual SIM card, eSIM, is our opportunity because all the operation processes will change. Our best milestones achieved was economic awards from Facebook, Google, Microsoft and Amazon, as well as nearly 1 million euros of financing from Banco de Santander, Enisa, Sodical and 300 private investors. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.